More than 200 service members from Camp Lemonnier stepped outside the gates recently to show their support of the host nation of Djibouti with an organized road beautification project. The project was part of an all-hands initiative for service members to help dedicate their time and efforts to the local community.
We all come here, over 23 different tenants. We all have different jobs and missions, and sometimes we don't interact. Today was an all-hands evolution. Anybody that wanted to participate could participate, and I think it allowed us to know each other a little bit better.
The project didn't just benefit military relations, but also ties within the country of Djibouti.
It's important for them to see us outside the gates doing something other than our business. So it's good for us to be seen participating in the community.
The concept of community was not lost on the volunteers. Participants ranged from junior enlisted to the highest ranking members on staff.
When we talk about building partner nations, this is where it starts, where you're living, sleeping, and playing, and coming outside the gate and showing that we are part of the Djiboutian community. Regardless of what your rank is, you're a part of the community.
Reporting from Combined Joint Task Force Horn of Africa, I'm Senior Airman Caitlin Johnson.